Hello, today we're going to make a volcano.
So we got this little science kit. It is from the works. We'll get into it and see what we need.
Let's see, but I hope there's instructions.
Instructions.
Pretty use balloons. Cool.
No, there we go. So we've got a plastic volcano. So that'll be your volcano bits. 2 balloons, a plastic funnel, 2 PE bags, blah, 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 blah. So with this we can make an erupting volcano. We can make a mega fizz inflating balloon, although I will need to find an empty bottle to do that. A canister rocket.
Yes, need to find that.
Yep, I need to find a can for that. A boom bag.
Need to find that.
Well, that comes through it there. Oh, water bomb balloons. I don't think we need any help with that. I'm sure the child will figure that one out.
I know how to blow up balloons.
No, a water balloon.
Blow up water balloon.
Where you put water in the balloon and then you throw it onto the pavement outside. Or you throw it at your child.
No, I know. Put water in it first and then blow it up.
No. And then we've got fizzling, bubbling lava. So actually we've got a whole load of instructions here. But
now we're going to be hot.
I think it's for 8+, but yeah, again, we're following our usual things. We are going to do it with our 6-year-old, and we're going to learn about volcano.
Is it going to be hot lava? Can I touch it?
No, it won't be hot lava.
Cool.
Hence the reason why I put the newspaper down.
Why?
It's going to go bubbling all over the table. Right, so... Did you know that more than 80% of the surface of the Earth is volcanic?
I knew that.
Did you? Some mountains and sea floors were formed by many volcanic eruptions.
That's what I know. I know there's lava under the floor.
Yeah.
If you dig 6 meters.
Did you know the Earth's atmosphere was formed from gaseous emissions from the volcanoes? Mm-hmm.
Didn't know that one.
You didn't know that one. Right, let me go and get all the other little bits that we need.
We just say
Dye.
Dye.
Let's see how this goes. Our first one we're going to do is fizzing, bubbling lava.
Why are we playing with chemicals?
Because you're learning.
Oh, we're learning chemicals, even if it's for 8 kids.
Oh, why not? There we go, and then we get to watch it take place. There we go, and it's fizzing!
Fizzing like lava.
Can
that fizzle into your eyes?
No. But don't put your head over it.
Oh.
Can you hear it?
It's fizzing. I can smell it.
Right, there we go. So that would be the fizzy bubbling lava.
Done.
Did you enjoy it?
Yep, and let's leave the lava and let's do the volcano.
Oh, you want to do the volcano?
Yeah. Ooh.
The volcano will make a mess.
I know, but can we do it?
Okay. Right, so now we're going to have the exploding, erupting volcano. Great fun. Right. So we need 50 mils of malt vinegar. We are in the mill side. Good.
You're going to get too much,
How much?
Yeah, pretty sure.
Our vinegar, this is the bit that I'm not looking forward to.
Why?
Because now it's a case of putting chemicals in there and stepping back as quick as possible.
Why?
Because it's going to erupt.
What is it what to mean? Explode.
Yep.
Oop.
Right, let's have a few drops of the red.
It's going to explode. Real explode.
3 to 5 grams. So let's put that there.
Why is the volcano fizzling?
Because you have just put into it.
Dye.
Yes, something that it's reacting with. Right, now I need 3 to 5 grams. That might be a bit of an excitable volcano.
Ooh, ooh.
And there's our little volcano! Oh. I'm quite proud of that.
Is that going to happen at night?
No, it's erupted. Once it erupts, it erupts.
Cool.
Good. That's okay, don't worry. Let's go get a cloth.
Yeah.
Right, so that was our volcano. Shall we make a mega fizz inflating balloon?
Oh, yeah.
Right, so we need 200 mils of household vinegar.
I was going to do
There we
that
go.
all the way to...
200 mils of vinegar
It's
into
done
there.
now.
Yes, that's done. Leave it. I'm not sure if Daddy will forgive me for that.
This is cool, that volcano.
Right, what colour balloon? Red or yellow?
Red.
Red balloon.
I love red.
Right, red balloon
Can I do it?
onto there. You can hold. Zero it. And now what am I using? I am using bicarb baking soda. And I want 15 grams of this.
That volcano was cool.
Right, 15 grams of baking powder. Now, what my little lady needs to do
Let's hold this.
is hold the balloon onto the funnel.
Is some of that powder
Look.
going in there?
Right, so for our next bit, make sure I don't need any food dye or anything like that. No. Be careful.
What are we going to do?
3. When I hit 1, you're going to tip this into the vinegar. 3, 2, 1. Tip it in.
Whoa. Ooh. Whoa. Are we going to wait until that bursts?
I don't know.
How big is this going to go?
How big is that though?
That is big.
And did you have to breathe into it?
No. That's one way.
Chemical reactions.
That's one way of doing it.
It's chemical reactions.
That's what chemicals do.
Yes, chemicals react to each other.
It's going to burst.
No,
Why would you put it back out?
it's supposed to be up there. So how cool is that? That's a chemical reaction.
Can we take this off now?
Do you want to tie it into a knot?
Yeah.
And keep it?
Yeah.
I will try to tie it into a knot.
That was cool. Did it still have water in it?
A little bit of vinegar in it. There you go. So that was that one. Right, shall we do our little canister rocket? Except for I'm not going to stick on these little things. I have no idea where my sellotape is. So,
Can I put my balloon?
just put it here.
Oh.
Put it there. Right, colour or water? I can do water. 5 to 10
Can you
mils.
hold it the other way too?
No, because it's got to go onto here in a minute.
Oh.
Very quickly as well.
Why?
So it will do. Hang on, I've got to see the numbers. I'm going to see if it does. What it is. Look.
What are you doing? Mum,
Maybe Mum didn't put enough bicarb in.
what are you going to do, Mum?
It's supposed to explode. It's supposed to... A rocket!
Ah. They're all over me too.
Oh, well. So that's what happens when you mix baking powder with vinegar. Was that fun?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, brilliant. So that's the box. There's a couple more experiments in that are fun. What did you think of that?
These bits were my favourite.
Which ones are your favourite?
The balloon. The balloon was my favourite. This was my favourite.
The volcano.
Volcano. And the rocket was fun. Made me jump.
It did make you jump. So if you like our videos, please leave a like or a comment down below. If there's anything you want us to try, give us a shout
what?
out.
When I did that, I'm actually shivering.
And we'll catch you on the next week. Bye for now.
Mom, what is that?